Hey there, class. Did you know that drinking water was essential for survival? Well, I sure hope so, because if you didn't, then I'd say you're a little behind the ball in life. So with the need to hydrate so paramount, the question that is important for us to ask is, how do we choose to get our water? Do we get it from the sink, the fridge, a Brita filter, or do we get it from a bottle? Unfortunately, many of us often make the wrong decision. Today I will explain to you 3 reasons that drinking out of a plastic water bottle is bad. Reason 1. The time it takes a bottle of water to degrade. Different kinds of plastic can degrade at different times, but the average time for a plastic bottle to completely degrade is at least 450 years. It can even take some bottles 1,000 years to fully biodegrade. That's unbelievable. Think about this. 450 years ago the year would be 1567. William Shakespeare would only be 3 years old. So now let's think about 1,000 years. 1,000 years ago, it was still considered to be in the Middle Ages. So that water bottle you drank today might still be around to see aliens invade us or even a zombie apocalypse. Last year, Americans used about 50 billion plastic water bottles, and only 23% are recycled. That means 38 billion bottles of water are wasted. Which brings us to reason 2. It's a waste of money. The cost of those 38 billion bottles of water equates to $1 billion in wasted plastic. $1 billion. The recommended 8 glasses of water a day at U.S. tap rates equals about 49 cents per year. That same amount of bottled water comes out to be about $1,400. I don't know about you, but I like having money. The reusable bottle costs you about $5. After that, the cost for you to get your recommended daily amount of water is almost non-existent. For an entire year, it only costs you 49 cents if you go from a tap water each time. So if you've been using single-serving bottles of water and are looking for a way to save money, look no further. Go buy a reusable bottle today, guaranteed to be worth your money and your time. Reason 3. It's a waste of fuel. Making bottles to meet America's demand for bottled water uses more than 17 million barrels of oil annually, enough to fuel 1.3 million cars for a year. And that's not even including the oil used for transportation. The energy we waste using bottled water would be enough to power 190,000 homes. As our carbon footprint continues to grow, it is important that we don't add to the problem of global warming by continuing to use plastic water bottles. It's time that we make a change. It's time to forsake the plastic bottle of water and change to a reusable bottle. We have the responsibility to ensure the success of our environment for generations to come. Making the switch from plastic, single-time use bottles to a reusable one is the best decision for you, me, and for our world.